degrees. A tornado warning has been issued for our area. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 79 degrees under fair skies. Tonight, partly cloudy, low 57. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny skies, high 82. Here's our 7-day outlook.
I'm missing out on our family outings as I can't find a bladder leakage product that fits. Everything was too loose. But Depend Fit Flex feels tailored to me.
Introducing more sizes for better comfort. New Depend Fit Flex underwear is guaranteed to be your best fit.